If you've ever wished for a one-and-done daytime anti-aging cream, the kind that hydrates, protects, smooths, and gives you just a bit of a glow, the Exuviance Age Repair Day Repair claims to do exactly that. But is it worth it? So Exuviance is a dermatologist-founded brand. It's known for using clinically tested actives like PHAs, peptides, and retinoids in elegant, cosmetically sophisticated formulas. They often formulate with sensitive skin in mind and also for a variety of skin tones and with a performance edge to it. So I tried this product to see if it could be a good fit for people who want a simplified daytime routine, something that's science-backed, something that hits hydration, SPF, and visible aging in one step. So let's take a look at what's inside. It's got SPF 30, it's got 3 chemical filters. It's going to give you a broad spectrum sunscreen. It's also got a retinol, a little low on the ingredient list, and for a daytime cream, I think that's okay. I couldn't find anything that explicitly says that it's encapsulated, nor could I tell from looking through the ingredient list. What it does have is acetylglucosamine that's fantastic for brightening and supporting, hyperpigmentation. It fades dark spots. Now, it goes really well with niacinamide, which unfortunately this formula does not include, but that could be a win-win for people that are looking for formulas that do not have niacinamide. It also has these 2 peptides that reduce inflammation and improve firmness in your skin. So what does it feel like and who is it for? It's a rich, silky cream. So when I put it on, and by the way, you can tell from the bump in the tube that I have been using it. So when you put it on, it goes on, kind of thick. It's got a little bit of a greasiness to it. So I don't think it'll be a good match for, let's say, oily skin folks. But, aging skin, well, we're generally getting drier, right? So it feels texture-wise like a US sunscreen would. That's the best way I could describe it. And it's got a soft fragrance to it initially that once you get past it for a few seconds does begin to smell like sunscreen as well. Now, if you've got dry skin, it dries down with a little bit of dewiness to it. It does absorb, I think, relatively well, but just like any US sunscreen does, it kind of there's a bit of it that sits on the surface. It doesn't get fully absorbed. What you're not getting is any type of aggressive pigmentation control. So similarly, this is more of a gentle daily maintainer or your daytime cream that supports whatever nighttime routine you're going to be doing. And that is true broadly for anti-aging as well. Think of this as a good maintenance day cream rather than your primary active cream. So if your barrier is sensitive, this is also something that would be a really good inclusion. If you're looking at really aggressive pigmentation control or faster results for anti-aging, then you are looking elsewhere and not at this product. It is marketed as a higher end cream though, so it does run pricey. And for that price point, I would definitely evaluate what else you've got in your routine, what your skin goals are, and whether your other products are supporting that or not, and then go for this.